Introducing the Crock-Pot large 8-quart programmable slow cooker in sleek black stainless steel, a holiday dinner hosting essential for up to 10 people. This highly rated slow cooker features a digital timer for up to 20 hours of cook time, auto warm setting, and includes recipes. Easy to clean with dishwasher safe parts, but avoid sudden temperature changes with the stoneware and lid. Introducing the TOSHIBA EM925A5A BS countertop microwave oven in stylish black stainless steel. With a compact footprint and large 0.9 cubic feet capacity, this microwave features 6 pre-programmed menus, 1-touch start and defrost options. It also includes eco mode, mute function, and child lock for added convenience and safety. Introducing the OVENTE electric deep fryer with a 2-liter capacity and 1500 watt power, perfect for fast heat up and constant temperature control. Features adjustable temperature, 275 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, viewing window, and odor filtering lid. Designed for safety and convenience with cool touch handles and LED indicator lights. Easy to clean with dishwasher safe frying basket and immersible oil container. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Currently priced at $29.99, a 33% discount from the list price of $44.99. Introducing the Magic Bullet Blender, a versatile 11-piece set in silver/black. With a 250 watt motor base, it effortlessly chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds, and more. The set includes multiple cups, lids, and a recipe guide for quick and easy meal preparation. Cups are made of high-impact plastic and dishwasher safe. Introducing the Connolly Masticating Juicer Machines, available in classic color. This powerful slow cold press juicer features a 3.5-inch, 88mm, large feed chute, high-power 300W motor, and a larger spiral auger for efficient juice extraction. With slow squeezing at 120 RPM, it separates dregs and juice, reducing nutrient loss and oxidation. Easy to clean with a quick disassembly design and included brush. Currently priced at $89.99, a 67% discount from the list price of $269.99. Introducing the Mueller UltraToast full stainless steel toaster in a 4-slice configuration. This toaster features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, along with 6 browning levels and LED display for precise toasting. With extra-wide slots and self-centering slot guides, it accommodates various bread types. Easy to clean with a removable crumb tray and compact design.